Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A23 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings and then click on Connections. Now you need to tap on Bluetooth section and tap on this switcher if it's not already on. Now just wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the chosen one. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other smartphone to accept your connection request. As you can see, my smartphones were successfully connected. You can disconnect them by clicking on this icon next to the device and choosing Unpair at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice by tapping on Unpair one more time. If you wish to connect to the same one, tap on it and select Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!